Hi guys, Kylie here. I just wanted to quickly hop on and give my honest review on this beautiful knife set I got. The first thing that drew me to it was like this look of it. It's a little different than anything I've seen before. It's kind of like modern and contemporary, just really beautiful. Whenever I have guests, they're always complimenting and asking where I got it and stuff like that. So I do love that. It does have these 6 steak knives here, and as you can see, they are like one piece, super sharp blade and really high quality. They're easy to clean, which is a game changer. And I've heard of ones like these rusting. I've had 0 problems with these rusting. So the handle is another one of my favorite things. It grips better than some other knife sets I have, and it's just really comfortable to hold. Also, the steak knives, as you can see, some kitchen shears, a sharpener, which is really handy to have, and then also has like your bigger knives, like your chopping knives, bread with that nice serrated edge, and then like a chef's knife, and then we have like your like fruit and paring knife. So tons of different options, so whatever you need to cut, this will do the job. I've been really happy with it. The quality is amazing and the knives are very sharp, and I would definitely recommend this if you're in the market. It's just a beautiful set and we have truly been impressed.